Hi guys, creating and verifying a KuCoin account on your mobile phone is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few minutes. KuCoin is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform that allows users to buy, sell and trade various digital cryptocurrency. In this guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating and verifying your KuCoin account on your mobile phone. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, do it to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Let's get started. So guys, the first step you have to take now is to download and install the KuCoin app into your mobile phone, and you can do that either in your Play Store or in your App Store. If you're using an Android device, go over to your Play Store, while if you're using an iOS device on iPhone, then you go over to your App Store. So let me go over to my Play Store since I'm using an Android device in this tutorial today. Let me tap on my Play Store real quick. You can see now my Play Store is opening up. So the next step you have to take now is to search out the KuCoin app. I can do that by tapping on the search icon at the bottom right. So let me tap on it. Then you tap on the search bar at the top. Let me tap on it. Then you type in KuCoin. Then you tap on search. Right there guys is the KuCoin app. So let me tap on it so you can see it clearly. Let me open up the web page. You can see it right there. You can see the logo, KuCoin, buy Bitcoin and crypto. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on install to download it. So let me tap on install. Right there guys, can see it has started downloading. It is at 12%, so let's wait till it gets to 100%. In the next few seconds it's going to get to 100%. Then after that it's going to start installing automatically. So let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, can now see it has started installing. So let's wait for a few seconds. Wow, it's done installing. So the next step you have to take now is to go ahead now to tap on open on the right hand side. So let me tap on open to open up the KuCoin app. Right here guys is the next step. You can see privacy reminder. So let me tap on agree. You have to agree to the privacy policy and terms of use. So let me tap on agree. You can see now the KuCoin app is opening up, the KuCoin exchange. Here's the next step. It says allow KuCoin to send you notifications. So let me tap on allow. Then let me cancel out of this. So guys, now the next step you have to take now in order to create a KuCoin account is to tap on where you can see sign up / login. So let me tap on it right away. You can see it down there. So guys, here's the next step. This is the sign up page. Here you're required to either use your email address or your phone number to create a KuCoin account. But in this video, I'm going to be using my email. So let me go ahead now to input my email address right there. You can see it. Let me tap on it. Then let me input it real quick. Right there guys, can see I've inputted my email address. So the next step now is referral code. You can see it is optional, but guys, this is where you're going to do me a favor. Go ahead to use my referral code. You can see it right there at the top of the screen. Just go ahead to use it. By using my referral code, you're going to be getting a 50% discount on all your trading fee on this platform, and also you're going to be getting a commission of about $100. So guys, don't miss this. It's going to be a win-win because I'm going to be receiving a small commission also from the KuCoin platform. So go ahead to use my code. You can see it right there on the screen. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me input my code real quick. So guys, after you're done inputting my code, so what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see create now, and make sure you tick to those circles right there on the left hand side. You can see those two circles. Make sure you tick them to agree to the privacy and terms of use of this platform. So let me go ahead now to tap on create now. You can see guys, it's loading. So guys, right here is the next step. You can see what's written there, security verification. To continue, please finish up verification steps. So a code has been sent to my email inbox. So let me go ahead now to get it, a code for the verification. Let me minimize now. So guys, right there is the code, the verification code from KuCoin. Let me tap on it to open up the email. Then let me copy the code real quick. Let me copy it. Then let me go back to the KuCoin platform. Then let me go ahead now to paste the code that I copied from my email. You can see now I pasted it and it's now loading. So guys, here's the next step. You can see it right there at the top. Set password, almost done. Just one final step to go. So you have to create a password that you can easily remember and that people cannot easily guess. Right there guys, you can see I've inputted my password now. So let me go ahead now to tap on confirm. You can see guys, it's loading up. So guys, you can see here's the next step. You can see what's written there, create passkey. This has to do with facial recognition, fingerprint and screen lock that you can use to actually log in into your KuCoin account. So you can go ahead to tap on create. So let me tap on create so I can create this passkey. Then let me go ahead now to get a code. Let me tap on send code. You can see verification code sent. So let me go over to my email inbox now to get the code. Let me minimize. Then let me go over to my email. Let me go back. This is the former email. You can see the recent email right here, KuCoin verification code. So let me tap on it to open it. Then let me open it up. You can see here's the code. Let me copy the code real quick. Then let me go back to the KuCoin platform. You can see now it has been recognized. It was pasted from my clipboard. So what I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to tap on continue. But before I do that, let me get to save it another way. Let me choose another Google account real quick. Let me do that real quick. Where is it? So I've selected the Google account. I want it to be saved. You can see they said create passkey for KuCoin. You can see this passkey will be saved to your Google password manager for -- email, so you can use it on other device and your screen lock will be used to encrypt your data. So let me tap on continue. You can see guys, it's loading up. So let me use my screen lock now to unlock the KuCoin platform. This is the extra protection I'm talking about. You can see now it has recognized my fingerprint. You can see passkey created. You can now use your fingerprint, facial recognition or screen lock to quickly and securely log into your KuCoin account. So let me tap on done. You can see what's written there at the top. You have created one passkey. Up to 10 can be set. Rename your passkey for easier identification. So let me go back now. I've created it. So guys, here is the next step, and this is the most important step, which is to verify your account. You can see what's written there, standard identity verification. It only takes about 3 to 5 minutes to verify your account. So guys, you're going to verify your account because this is going to give you various benefits. You can see the benefits right there. You can see down there. Those are the benefits. Just take your time to go through it. So now to verify your account, you have to tap on get verified. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. So guys, here is the next step. Now you can see start verification. To ensure the security of your account and prevent fraud, identity verification is required. So you have to select your country. You can see my country has automatically been selected. You can tap on the drop down icon. You can see these are the various countries. You can look for your country, scroll through to look for your country, or you can use the search icon to search for your country. Let me cancel out now. Let me go back. You can see my country has been selected. Like I said, you have to select the country that issued you the ID card they're going to use for your identity verification. So now the next step now is to select ID type. You can see we have two types of ID type. The first one there is bank verification number, which is your BVN. The second one that you can use is your national identity number. You can see we have two options. So let me go ahead now to use my national identity number. So let me tap on national identity number. Let me tap on it to select it. Then after that, now what you have to do is to tap on next. Though there are other verification methods, you can see it right there. Let me tap on where it is written other verification methods. Let me tap on it. You can see now these are other verification methods: ID card, passport, and driver's license. So in case you don't want to use any of these two above, you can select any of these three below. It's going to work out fine. So I've selected my national identification number. So let me tap on next. So guys can see what's written here, allow KuCoin to take pictures and record video. So let me tap on while using this app. So guys can see here's the next step. Can see what's written there, verify your identity. It will only take 2 minutes. You can see the two steps right there. The first one is non-doc verification, which means I'm not going to be uploading the image or document of my national ID card. I'm just going to be providing my national identity number. That's what it entails. And also the face verification, I'm going to take a picture of my selfie for face recognition. So let me go ahead now to tap on continue down there. Let me tap on it. So guys, right here is the next step, non-doc verification. They said provide your data. You can see there my country has been automatically selected. Now I have to provide my national ID card. I don't know why BVN is showing there. I selected national identity number, but let me tap on it to change it. Then let me select national ID, which is the national identification number. Let me tap on it. You can see now it has changed to national ID, which is the national identification number. What I'm going to do now is to go ahead now to input my national identification number. You can see where it is written required. So let me tap on it now to input it. Let me input it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my national identification number. So let me tap on continue. Right here guys is the next step. You can see what's written there, position your face to fit the frame. So let me do that real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm fitting my face in the camera in the frame. Wow guys, can see your face scan is complete, so it's now loading. You can see now guys, submitted, verification in process, check back in a bit. So guys, what you have to do right away now is just to, wow guys, can see at the top, identity verification successful. You can see it. So my verification has been successful, my identity has been verified. So what I'll do now is to go over to my account now to check if it has actually been verified, if the green good has been marked, if the verified symbol is there. So let me tap on done now. Wow guys, can see verified. You can see the good right there. Verified is written in green. You now have full access to all KuCoin's features and are in the highest tier for transaction limit. So guys, now you can see my account has been verified now. So guys, this is how you can actually create and verify your KuCoin account. Let me show you another way you can see to confirm that your account has been verified. Let me go back. Then let me tap on my profile icon at the top. So guys, now you can see it right there, verified. You can see it right there at the top. On my profile, it is verified. You can see written verified. So guys, this is how you can actually create and verify your KuCoin account on your mobile device. Bye.